have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down.
Thank you. All right, good morning. It's our last morning here at the North Rim. What a beautiful place. We got to go to probably 7 or 8 different points to look at the Grand Canyon, which is so worth it because each point gives you a different point of view of the Grand Canyon. We're gonna make some breakfast this morning. When we head out, we're actually gonna go to the last point, which is Crazy Jug, and then head up to Kanab and go check out some dinosaur tracks and also check out Slot Canyon. So let's get some breakfast made and get on the road. That's good, Mama. What is that called?
It's kind of like a twist on a Southwest breakfast hash. Potatoes and sweet potatoes, eggs, cheese, spinach, and all kinds of spices.
Cool. It's delicious. Get a good start today.
We're about to go explore a slot canyon, Peakaboo Slot Canyon, just north of Kanab. Took us a little bit to actually find the trailhead, but it sounds like you got to traverse through some sand dunes or some sandy roads down to get down there. So we're just stopped in Aaron Down.
Cool.
You ready to go?
Tell them about the dropping the trailer off into the canyon.
So we debated a few minutes back and forth between whether or not we wanted to actually go here because we have to drop the trailer off if we want to go down the sandy road. So we had to unhitch, and we're gonna go explore this thing without the trailer, which is probably the wise choice. We just saw some guys coming out on ATVs and side-by-sides who said it was pretty deep sand, so it's Aaron Down. I think it's about a 3 to 5 mile drive in.
Going down to 20.
So yeah, can't wait to see what it looks like down there. The boys are excited.
we're about to head into this slot canyon. See the truck back there, it's beautiful. Really sandy. Air down to 20. I may have to go down to like 10 to get out of here because it was all downhill. But look at this. This is awesome. Just got into the shade. Probably dropped like 15-20 degrees from the sun to the shade. Oh, feels so good.
This is really cool.
This is so awesome. Luke,
What?
this is crazy, man. What do you think about this?
Pretty cool.
Look at that. I bet some water flows out of that up there.
Yep. That's what I call it, the waterfall.
Yeah, that is crazy. We do got some dark clouds coming in, which isn't good.
Yeah. Because they do say this is the worst place to be.
Jenny, our first slot canyon.
This is really cool.
Isn't this neat?
Yeah,
This
we're
is-
the only ones here.
I know. Alright, so we just left Kanab a little while ago. We did that slot canyon. It was awesome, but we just weren't happy with, pick up some trash. Just weren't happy with the camping situation there. So we're out here at Alstrom Point. We just turned on the road, but we had to stop. I mean, look at this sunset. It's on fire. Let me swing you around this way. I don't think you can see, but it's just lighting the canyons out here. I don't know if you can see that out in the distance. Let me try to zoom in here. There we go. Y'all see that? It's crazy. It's nothing like a little cloud cover. Sorry, I'm looking at the screen. But Alstrom Point, this area. So tomorrow we're gonna try to do one of these trails. We're gonna go over here to the BLM office in the morning and see at the Escalante Grand Staircase Trail, or we can go up the road a little bit and hit the Cottonwood Trail. So I'm gonna find out what the best bet is for us, you know, with the family and everything. We don't want to do anything too crazy. Oh, actually there's some lights, there's some headlights off there in the distance too. Got somebody coming from the point this way. So let me run. Let's get out there to the point and get camp set up and go from there.